Welcome to this course on Python from in 28 minutes. I am Ranga Karanam and I have been programming for more than a couple of decades. At in 28 minutes, we ask ourselves one question every day. How do we create more effective courses? I love programming and I would want to help you develop a love for programming as well. In this awesome course with more than 100 steps, you will take your first steps with Python. You will discover how to solve problems using Python. We would solve more than 200 exercises and puzzles to help you understand and learn Python. In this course, we would be using Python 3 and we will be using Pycharm as the IDE. We would start with the basics of programming. We'll understand what are variables, types, methods, loops, and conditionals. We'll take a step-by-step approach to solving problems by breaking them down into smaller problems. We'll also understand the basics of object-oriented programming with Python. We'll look at different data types in Python as well as what are the different data structures it supports like list, dictionary, set, and tuples. We will look at a few inbuilt Python modules as well as we'll discuss how to do awesome exception handling with Python. The course takes a hands-on approach with a number of tips, puzzles, and exercises. This course comes along with a 150-page PDF guide. The PDF guide would help you to install Python. It contains the link to our GitHub repository, and for each of the sections in the course, it contains the step-by-step details as well as all the code examples that we use during that particular section. The PDF guide serves as a companion for you throughout the course and helps you solve problems. I am excited to bring this course to you. If you are as excited as I am, go ahead and click the enroll button. Or you can take a test drive by using the free preview feature. I'll see you in the course.